Hey, how's it going, everyone? So these are the stocks that are reporting their earnings this week that I think are relevant and should be on our radar for one reason or another. So on Monday, obviously the stock market is closed, so I have made a recommendation for you guys to watch The Brother's Son. It's a show on Netflix. I know the poster doesn't look very good, but I promise it's pretty darn action-packed and it's comedy, and if you like Kung Fu and Bruce Lee movies, I think you would really like The Brother's Son. On Tuesday, there's a handful of companies, but the only one that I'm really interested in is Conagra Brands, which is a food CPG company that I believe is completely undervalued right now. And on Wednesday, as you can see, there's 3 companies highlighted. Realistically, it should only be these 2 on the right here. American Waterworks, which I think is a very high quality dividend compounder with cheese. I cannot emphasize enough how high quality this company really is. And then there's Blue Owl Capital, which is a BDC that was featured in my BDC rankings video. And I think they're above average. I'm not going to say that's the best BDC in the world, but it's obviously not the worst either. Meaning at the right price, depending on what happens in this earnings report, I might be buying into them. They're at a pretty good price point right now, and if they drop even further, maybe like 3% or 4% in the red, could be a dollar cost average opportunity for me. And then I have this one highlighted, not because I care about investing into them, but because I see them as a direct competitor to Western Union and their business model. And I just want to know, like, how are they doing? Because Western Union is getting absolutely demolished. And I'm not invested into Western Union either. It's just, I'm curious how those 2 companies are doing in their industry as a whole. And on Thursday, there's also a ton of companies that are reporting. For you dividend investors, you're probably very interested in Vici Properties. It's really popular, and I get it, for good reason, right? Their financials and fundamentals look pretty good. But for me, a guy that researches companies and businesses and stocks all day long, I truly do not believe in their long-term horizon and success. Las Vegas, all or nothing, for me, I don't believe in it. And then there's also Texas Roadhouse. I have this highlighted because I'm practically up by 100% my position, and I feel like it's a really good time for me to finally sell out of them. And if I do, I'm going to use that capital in order to buy into some other companies that I believe are undervalued right now. And on Friday, there are quite a few companies that are reporting, but I don't really think any of them are too important. I'm so sorry if you're invested into Arbor Realty, which is a REIT. This is the only one that I think is maybe decent and we should be looking out for. But other than that, I love you guys. Stay safe and good luck in the stock market this week.